Somalia's proposal for mediation between Uganda and Tanzania.
I think I am speaking now to you, replying on this, not as chairman of the OAU, but as the President of Republic of Uganda. As Uganda is concerned, we don't have anything against Tanzania. We consider them are our brothers and sisters, and we will never even enter Tanzania 1 inch by our military forces, even police force, we will never. And we can give them all facilities. And we are in the same East African community, OAU, non-aligned United Nations. We have even Tanzanian working here in the East African community, post and telecommunication, which the office you see is being, the building is coming up, and some are working just next to the conference center, and they are very happy. Even during this OAU, the chairman of the East African Community Legislative Assembly is Tanzanian, is somebody from President of Tanzanian place, I think related to Tanzania President, and most of them are here in the OAU. See? And therefore, for my part, I don't think that even really we have anything with Tanzania. I will say that if it is better if the committee comes to consider the case between Uganda and Tanzania, should go to Tanzania. I think for me here, I want just to assure you, as President of Uganda and the chairman of the OAU, I want peace and unity in Africa and in the world.